is a 2018 Toyota Camry SE. And these are the Lexus style tail lights without the chrome for 2018 and 2019 Toyota Camry in red and black. We recommend removing the rear bumper because there is a screw underneath the main tail light which needs to be removed, and that's hidden behind the bumper. These are the boxed contents. This is the light in red, and this is how it looks from the back. This is the socket which we need to connect with the extended cable which comes with the kit. That's how you connect them. You connect these two together and the other ends connect with the socket of the car. And this is pretty much it. Now let's put the big light on the side and have a look at the light which goes on the trunk. And this is the back view. Now let's take a look at both of them together and examine the connections. We will be connecting this yellow wire via this cable to the other end with this cable. So if you look at this setup, this wiring setup is for the XSE and XLE trim. Okay, now this setup is for the SE and LE trim. For SE and LE trims, instead of splicing these wires, you connect both these sockets together. After you connect these two sockets together, next up is this little plastic piece, which comes with the kit. Use this supplied plastic socket and connect it to the reverse bulb wiring. There is a small plastic piece inside the plastic socket, and in our case, we don't need it, but keep it safe just to be on the safe side. And this is how you remove it. First, connect this plastic socket to your reverse light all empty. Once you connect it, you insert these wires inside the socket. When you are aligning them, make sure you connect the black wire to the other side car's black and white wire. Insert it all the way until it snaps. Now insert the yellow wire into the socket and make sure it's fully in. You align the yellow wire with the car's pink and black wire on the other side. So when you insert both of them, make sure they are fully in, and then you connect the reverse light socket from the car. After this, next and last step is the red wire. According to the manufacturer, you connect this red wire to the license plate hot wire or positive wire. Maybe there is a way to connect it, but when we tried it, the hot wire or the positive wire didn't have enough power to light up these lights. Maybe we didn't do it the right way, but in our case it didn't work. So what we did, we extended this red wire and connected it with the green wire on this socket, and that's it. Once again, when you connect these two together, these combined, they are big and will not go through the hole as you can see in the picture. So you can tape it or hide it behind the light. There is enough room between the light and the car body. The rest of the wires goes through the hole easily, and this is the plastic seal for that hole. After reviewing these tail lights, they are very good quality and it fits perfectly. Feel free to ask any questions. Let's see how they look on the car.